Are you ready for a smartphone that has it all? The Infinix Note 13 Pro is coming soon, and it's packed with features that could change the game in the budget smartphone market. Let's dive into what makes this phone so exciting. In this video, we'll explore the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G, its incredible camera, massive battery, and what you can expect when it launches. Stick around to find out if this phone is worth your attention. Let's start with the design. The Infinix Note 13 Pro features a large 6.91-inch IPS LCD display. That's great for watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits, you won't have to squint in bright sunlight. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate means everything from scrolling through your feed to playing games will feel super smooth. Under the hood, the phone packs a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. This means it should handle everything from everyday tasks to heavy gaming without a hitch. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your apps and files. The latest Android V14 operating system ensures you'll have the newest features and updates at your fingertips. Now, let's talk battery life. The Infinix Note 13 Pro comes with a gigantic 6500 mAh battery. That's enough to get you through a full day or even longer if you're a light user. And when it's time to charge, you won't be waiting around. It supports 120W fast charging, meaning you can get a full charge in just 25 minutes. Perfect for those busy days when you need power in a hurry. Moving on to the camera, which is one of the standout features of this phone. The Infinix Note 13 Pro boasts a quad camera set up on the back, led by an impressive 108MP primary camera. This is complemented by a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 13MP telephoto lens, and a 5MP macro camera. With this setup, you'll be able to take stunning photos in all kinds of settings, from landscapes to close-ups, and let's not forget about selfies. The front camera features a 50MP sensor that can record ultra-high-definition video. This means your video calls and self-portraits will look crystal clear, even in less than ideal lighting. Infinix is not just about powerful specs, they also focus on the user experience. The Infinix Note 13 Pro is rumored to have an IP68 water-resistant rating. This means it can handle dust and splashes, so you don't have to worry about using it in different environments. Another big selling point is its 5G capability. With this phone, you'll be able to enjoy fast download and upload speeds, making streaming and online gaming smoother than ever. As for pricing, while we don't have official numbers yet, rumors suggest the Infinix Note 13 Pro could be launched in January 2025 at a competitive price point. If these speculations hold true, it could offer features usually found in more expensive devices without breaking the bank. Just keep going. Daily Motivation Tips Collection. Fuel your day with persistence. Are you ready to transform your mindset and stay motivated every day? Introducing our Just Keep Going collection, your perfect companion for resilience and inspiration. Featuring a stylish unisex classic crewneck sweatshirt, cozy hoodies, practical bags, vibrant mugs, and more. This collection is designed to keep you motivated while you conquer your daily challenges. What's inside? Our collection includes a printable guide packed with uplifting quotes and actionable tips. These simple steps are crafted to help you overcome obstacles and cultivate a resilient mindset. Whether you're facing a tough day at work or just need a little encouragement, our motivational materials are here to uplift and inspire you. Why you'll love it. Stylish comfort. Our unisex sweatshirts and hoodies are perfect for any occasion, blending comfort with a motivating message. Everyday inspiration. Carry your motivation wherever you go with our bags and sip from our mugs that remind you to keep pushing forward. Actionable tips. Our printable guide offers practical advice that you can implement daily, ensuring you stay on track to achieve your goals. Join the movement, embrace the power of persistence, and let our Just Keep Going collection inspire you every day. Don't just wear your motivation, live it. Order now, link down below. So, what does this all mean? The Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G seems to have everything you could want in a budget smartphone: a fantastic camera, a powerful processor, long battery life, and fast charging. It's shaping up to be a strong contender in its category. But remember, these details are based on leaks and rumors. The actual device might be different when it launches. So, keep an eye out for official announcements from Infinix for the most accurate information. So, are you excited about the Infinix Note 13 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.